Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at SE at the top of our large cap space here. Our AI detects that there's nearly an 800% increase in institutional bearish volume from what's normally seen there. No surprises why the stock drops more than 8% as a result. At one point at its max, it was down over 10% down here when it touched $71. Now, what our AI is detecting is that typically in these private exchanges, large market makers trade on, inaccessible to the investing public, only about $128 million of the stock is traded on a 7-day average. Today alone, over $1 billion. It's nearly 900 million extra from what it would normally get on the red side of the equation. No wonder it's making such a large move as a result. That's why we choose to use institutional grade data, which covers large market makers, transactions, private exchanges, as well as using AI to get speed of information, because that's critical as well. You can clearly see here at 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, over 3,200 times the average amount of bearish volume than what's normally seen there. The stock was at nearly $82, and then it dropped all the way down to 71. Now, if you had done put options on SE, you can see a huge list of triple-digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $73 put option today. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we saw that our AI picked it up in the pre-market. At the very beginning, options opened at 25 cents. At its maximum, that's about a 980% return. But it's not about necessarily squeezing every last penny out of it. It's about getting the information early. Maybe you didn't even make a trade until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you decided to hop out over here at an early exit after a drop. That's still a triple-digit return. The whole point is get information down here instead of hearing about it over here. And people will come in and share success stories with us each and every day saying things like, hey, thank you so much, TradeAlgo. Made a quick 250% on SE puts. I'm out for the day. And this wasn't the only opportunity. There were many others. However, we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's take a look at maybe one or two more. Let's take a look at the trending downside of the equation on the mid-cap space, and you could see how IQ pops up top of the board with a 230% increase in bearish volume. Stock drops nearly 12% as a result. So again, getting access to that information early is critical. At 8:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 22 and a half times the average amount of bearish volume than is normally seen there. If you were to have done put option transactions on IQ, triple-digit returns. The $5.50 option had the most daily volume and open interest. So we know that our AI picked it up in the pre-market all the way from the beginning of the day to its maximum, about 316% return. Again, maybe you didn't even get into the trade until 10:15, and maybe you got out a little bit later after its peak. That's still a 100% return. Information down here is what's critical. And we could go ahead and wrap up with an example here on the trending upside of the equation with Baidu, BIDU. We had a lot of people sharing success stories, making money on it yesterday, making money on it today. You can go watch our previous YouTube video from Monday, May the 15th, if you'd like. But 350% increase today, May the 16th, 5.5% increase in the stock alone. Again, no surprises. Market makers move the needle. So all the way down here, you could see that there was an extra $300 million from what's typically seen there over the past 7 days. So our AI picks up on that signal by going through those private exchanges, 8:17 a.m. on the bullish side of the board, 2.64 times the average. If you had done a call options on Baidu as it jumps over 5%, nice triple-digit returns. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.